Hey guys, this is a Dapper Leaf Collector. Very nice how it rakes up the leaves and just puts them in this bag very quickly and efficiently. Let me show you how to put it together. Here's everything that comes in the box. What you're first going to do is put these rods on the sides. So this goes over like that. Out of the 4 screws, you're going to use the longer one to push through that side. Then you're going to put this cover on this end, and it's going to clip in. You can see the clips right here. Just snap it in and use this knob to tighten it. Snap it in. And now we just install the handlebar with the 2 screws. Okay, so you have 8 screws like this here. The longer ones will be in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to slide these in here into these pockets right here and right over the screw hole, and put the shorter screws in here, just like this here. Then flip this over to this side and put the collecting bag right over this. Okay, now it's fully assembled. We'll just put this on and test our leaf collector. Oh wow, it does an amazing job. It picks up even branches. Whoa, check this out.